Candace, open this. I really can't. My nails will break.
What the fuck?
Shut up, you're such a girl.
Yeah, you can fucking one, go. Yeah, go.
Pussies. Faster than that. Jeannette, I saw a liquid drip. That hurts my heart. Hurts my heart, motherfucker.
You know that
That's a $1,000 fine.
Right? Who else does that shit?
I do.
Oh, wait.
I know that. Anthony's gonna throw up. I mean, Jeannette. I just called you Anthony.
What's the rough?
Nobody.
Jeannette.
What?
Damn.
Drop it like
What?
that.
What? What?
It's only done like